If you have old black and white photos that you wish could be brought to life in full color, you came to the right place. In this video, we will show you how to use AI-powered tools to easily colorize your black and white photos. Step 1. Choose the right tool to colorize black and white photos. There are many tools available online, but for this tutorial, we recommend using Hotpot or Palette. These are two of the popular web-based tools that use advanced AI algorithms to colorize black and white photos automatically for free. You can find the links in description. Step 2. Upload your black and white photo for colorizing. This process is straightforward and can be done by clicking the Upload button and selecting the photo from your computer, or you can directly drag and drop the photo to the web page. Step 3. Wait for the AI processing. After uploading your photo, the AI-powered tool will automatically start processing your photo. The time it takes for the tool to process the image depends on the size and complexity of the photo. You may need to wait a few minutes for the tool to complete the processing. Step 4. Customize the colorization. Once the processing is completed, you can customize the colorization of your black and white photo if there are some options provided. With Palette, you can change the effect with presets. Step 5. Download and share your colorized photo. After customizing your colorization settings, you can download your newly colorized photo to your computer and share it with friends and family. Usually it will be saved in JPG or PNG. And the free version has a limit in picture resolution. Colorizing black and white photos with AI-powered tools has never been easier. By following these simple steps, you can bring new life to your old photos and create stunning colorized images. Don't let your old photos remain in black and white. Try using an AI-powered tool today and see the magic for yourself. Thanks for watching and please subscribe our channel.